Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of unique woodworking projects ideas for transform simple materials into beautiful and functional art. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating unique woodworking projects offers a remarkable opportunity to transform simple materials into beautiful, functional art. The aesthetic appeal of woodworking lies in its ability to marry form and function, allowing artisans to craft pieces that not only serve a practical purpose, but also elevate the visual landscape of a space. This transformative process is rooted in the inherent beauty of wood, the creativity of the maker, and the skillful techniques employed to bring an idea to life. Wood, as a natural material, possesses a warmth and character that is hard to replicate. Each piece of wood carries its own unique grain patterns, colors, and textures, offering endless possibilities for artistic expression. The rich hues of mahogany, the lightness of pine, or the complexity of walnut all contribute to the aesthetic quality of a project. When artisans select their materials, they consider not only the structural integrity of the wood, but also its visual impact. This thoughtful selection process sets the foundation for creating pieces that resonate with both the creator and the intended audience. The journey of transforming wood into art begins with inspiration. Whether it's a vision of a beautifully crafted table, a whimsical sculpture, or a practical item like a cutting board, the creative process is what ignites the passion for woodworking. As artisans sketch their ideas, they explore the interplay between shapes and functions, seeking to create something that captivates the eye while serving a purpose. This design phase is crucial, as it allows the maker to envision how each element will come together, blending aesthetics with practicality. Once the design is established, the physical act of working with wood becomes a dance of creativity and craftsmanship. Each cut, joint, and finish is executed with intention, contributing to the overall beauty of the piece. The sound of the saw, the feel of the sandpaper gliding over the surface, and the sight of shavings falling to the floor create a sensory experience that is deeply satisfying. This tactile engagement with the material fosters a connection between the artisan and the wood, enriching the creative process and enhancing the final product. One of the most compelling aspects of woodworking is its ability to celebrate imperfections. Unlike factory-produced items, handcrafted pieces often carry the marks of the maker's journey, knots in the wood, slight variations in color, or unique grain patterns. These imperfections add character and authenticity, transforming a simple material into a narrative of craftsmanship. The embrace of these natural elements elevates the aesthetic appeal, as each flaw tells a story and contributes to the individuality of the piece. The finishing touches applied to a woodworking project play a significant role in its aesthetic transformation. Stains, paints, and sealants can dramatically alter the appearance of the wood, enhancing its natural beauty or introducing new colors and textures. For instance, a light stain may highlight the grain, while a bold paint can create a striking contrast. The choice of finish reflects the maker's artistic vision and can evoke different moods: warmth, elegance, or even playfulness. This final step not only protects the wood but also serves as an opportunity for the artisan to express their style and intent. Are you enjoying this video? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. As unique woodworking projects take shape, they become more than just functional objects. They evolve into pieces of art that enhance their surroundings. A handcrafted dining table, for instance, becomes a centerpiece for gatherings, embodying the spirit of togetherness while showcasing the artisan's skill and creativity. Similarly, a set of intricately designed coasters may serve as subtle yet beautiful additions to a living room, demonstrating that even the simplest items can carry aesthetic weight. The beauty of woodworking also lies in its versatility. Different styles, from rustic to modern, allow artisans to explore various design languages, adapting their creations to suit different environments and tastes. A rustic wooden bench, with its rough edges and natural finish, can evoke a sense of warmth and nostalgia, inviting people to sit and share stories. On the other hand, a sleek, minimalist shelf crafted from hardwood can bring a contemporary flair to a space, showcasing items in a way that highlights their beauty. This adaptability underscores the idea that simple materials can be transformed into diverse expressions of art. Moreover, the act of creating unique woodworking projects fosters a sense of connection to one's surroundings. As artisans invest time and effort into their creations, they become attuned to the materials and the environment from which they come. This connection enhances the overall experience, imbuing the finished piece with a deeper meaning. When a handcrafted item is placed in a home, it becomes part of the narrative, contributing to the ambience and character of the space. The presence of unique wooden pieces infuses homes with personality, reflecting the values and aesthetics of those who inhabit them. The journey of woodworking also serves as a platform for community and collaboration. Many artisans find joy in sharing their skills, whether through workshops, online tutorials, or community projects. This exchange of knowledge fosters a sense of camaraderie among creators, encouraging experimentation and innovation. As artisans inspire one another, the collective pursuit of beauty through woodworking flourishes, leading to a diverse range of styles and techniques. The aesthetic appeal of unique woodworking projects is thus enriched by the shared experiences and insights of a vibrant community. In addition to personal fulfillment, creating unique woodworking projects can have a positive impact on the environment. By utilizing reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, artisans contribute to a more sustainable future. This conscious choice not only reduces waste, but also elevates the aesthetic value of the work, as reclaimed wood often carries a rich history and character that new wood may lack. This dedication to sustainability resonates with an audience that increasingly values eco-friendly practices, further enhancing the appeal of handcrafted items. The personal connection forged between the maker and the piece extends to the recipient as well. When gifting a unique wooden creation, the giver imparts not only an object but also a piece of their heart and effort. The recipient, upon receiving such a gift, recognizes the thoughtfulness and care behind it, making it more than just a material possession. This emotional connection enhances the aesthetic experience, as the piece becomes a cherished item that holds memories and significance. In the aesthetic appeal of creating unique woodworking projects lies in the transformative power of simple materials. Wood, with its natural beauty and versatility, serves as a canvas for artistic expression, allowing artisans to craft functional art that enriches spaces and lives. The journey of woodworking, from design to execution, celebrates creativity, craftsmanship, and the beauty of imperfection. Each piece crafted is a testament to the maker's vision and dedication, elevating the ordinary to the extraordinary. Ultimately, unique woodworking projects embody the spirit of artistry, connection, and sustainability, transforming simple materials into lasting treasures that enhance the beauty of everyday life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked unique woodworking projects ideas for transform simple materials into beautiful and functional art. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.